going in here?
Nice.
Yeah?
Got my hand warmer.
Oh, nice.
And it's a little moist. That peaceful ocean sounds all night, and it was great.
Can you tell me any defining characteristics of the Lost Coast?
So the Lost Coast is characterized by a beautiful coastline, but the thing about it is its passability is determined by the tides. There are literally periods of the day where you cannot pass without a canoe or some sort of a boat, so you have to time it accordingly to get through. We looked a little bit at the tides last night, and it's not looking good. They say you're fine at anything under 3, but the problem is that it never goes...
It's getting bigger all day after.
It never goes under 3.
Oh, no.
Until, once again...
Like 4 o'clock.
Like 4 and the day's over.
We have picked shit tides, and other people have canceled their hikes today because the tides are so bad. So, we'll let you know how it goes, but definitely be doing hiking at night.
In 2015, Will and I tried to hike the Lost Coast and totaled my car on our way to the trailhead. We spent the night camped on the side of a dirt road in the pouring rain, and I never stepped foot on the trail.
That road was freaking gnarly.
Yeah.
So when Will invited me back to try it again 7 years later, I felt like I finally had the opportunity to finish out that chapter and close the book. The days were short, the tides were against us, but it was our 30th birthdays. It felt right to celebrate that milestone by getting out there and going for it.
Wow, dude, this is way gnarlier than last time I was here. You gotta be super careful. Oh, you gotta be right there. You gotta be ridiculously careful, or you're gonna have a... Look at this wave! Oh my god! Wow. It's coming in. Wow. Dude, another dude. What we're about to do is hike in the dark. This could be a really dumb decision or a good decision. Don't really get anything. Shine on your face. Oh, there we go. The reason why we're doing this is because the tides right now are dropping, and in these impassable zones, you literally cannot hike them. About to do our first stream crossing of the night, and quite frankly, it's kind of gnarly. There just really isn't that many places to go. You're pretty much trapped up against the rocks, and this next section, from what I remember, is cliffs. Yeah, so, nice job, buddy. This is all just gonna be in the full dark. We just crossed it.
Unpacking.
Nice, dude. Well, today we're gonna head on down to Miller Flat, hang out for the day until the tides get low enough, in which case we will start hiking probably around like 4:30, grab the sunset, and then do some more night hiking, which you saw how well that worked out yesterday. Oh boy. Miles of this. Hopefully we'll get to the impassable zone right as the tide is in a acceptable region. Oh, we're going, okay. Made a good call, started the impassable zone a little earlier, went down that ravine. It was kind of gnarly, but honestly, and then we had to go around some kind of sketchy sections. But frankly, I think it put us at a good point to land at our campsite tonight, you know, without getting at the headlamps. I've got foot warmers inside of each one, and I have hand warmers in the gloves. And now I have 2 down coats on. Beanie coming soon, but yeah. I got cold fingers.
On trips like these, I get the overwhelming sense of time slipping through my fingers like sand on the beach. The feeling that no matter how many pictures I take or moments I pause to feel the sun on my face, every step is taking me further from where I started and washing away in the waves behind me. It seems to take no small amount of courage to believe those steps are leading me anywhere. So I have to hope and trust that little by little, by some long, wandering, scenic path, they're headed back home.